Honorable Speaker, with your indulgence, because when you gave the Honorable Tiende Molo the right of reply, he did mention my name. Just to clarify to him that whatever I said, because it was not on record, was not in bad faith. Because I hear you severally refer to the Honorable Tiende Molo as senior counsel, and I expected the senior counsel he would be privy to matters that are in the courts. And therefore, ordinarily, senior counsel will know what issues are in the court, especially in court weighty matters, like that issue of the Omtata case, petition 253 of 2018. Honorable Speaker, allow me to move that pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 33A, this House orders that should the time appointed for adjournment of the House today, Tuesday 20th June 2023, be reached before conclusion of the business appearing under order number 14 of today's order paper, being Committee of the Whole House on the Finance Bill 2023, the sitting of the House shall stand extended until the conclusion of the said debate. And Honorable Speaker, I don't need to say much about this because, as you alluded, it's something we discussed in the House Business Committee, and the House Business Committee did direct that we have this procedural motion for today, tomorrow, and Thursday, as you have rightly communicated earlier. And Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Second again.
Let me ask the Honorable Junet Mohammed to second.
Mr. Speaker, I stand to second, but seconding Mr. Speaker, as you said, or as you directed in the House Business, we discussed in the House Business Committee that there is a lot of business before us. But Mr. Speaker, Kenyans must know that members of parliament are working. There are no other people in this country who sit up to midnight to do work other than members of parliament, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, many times members of parliament are bashed outside there that, oh, they earn for nothing, they earn a lot of allowances, they earn this and that. These are the only people, Mr. Speaker, who sit up to midnight to do the business for this country, Mr. Speaker. And when we are sitting up to midnight, there is no allowance. We are doing it for free, Mr. Speaker, because we want to serve our country. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to beseech members to stay. There is a lot of food, I'm told, at the cafeteria. You can eat, you can drink a lot of water, and then those who have other business after house, they can suspend it for today until another day, so that we can conclude these financial businesses of the country properly, Mr. Speaker, so that Kenyans can have money in their pockets, if at all it will be. But myself, I doubt. But thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Junet. Honorable members, I propose the question, which is that, pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 33A, this House orders that should the time appointed for adjournment of the House today, Tuesday, 20th June 2023, be reached before conclusion of the business appearing under order paper number 14 of today's order paper, being Committee of the Whole House on the Finance Bill 2023, the sitting of the House shall stand extended until the conclusion of the said business. I now put the question. You want to contribute on this? Is it the mood of the House that we put the question? And now put the question. You can respond without drama. That pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 33A, this House orders that should the time appointed for adjournment of the House today, Tuesday, 20th June 2023, be reached before conclusion of the business appearing under order number 14 of today's order paper, being Committee of the Whole House on the Finance Bill 2023, the sitting of the House shall stand extended until the conclusion of the said business. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it.